Application after customizations have been made. The head and neck should be applied with the straps opening towards the face. A mirror should be used to ensure proper positioning. Place the textured edema control foam pad under the straps in the desired location before securing the straps. Application of optional chin strap. Tension the straps to apply firm and comfortable compression and secure in place using the hook tabs. Ensure the hook tabs do not contact the skin. The strap hook tab closures should always be placed on an area of the head neck where the user can easily access them for quick removal. Adjust the compression, strap, and pad placement as necessary. Removal. Detach the strap hook tab and fold each back onto itself to keep the hook material lint-free. Remove the straps and pad, keeping the double-sided hook attachments in place for easier reapplication.